To make Chamois Cream single packs, you will need a good vacuum sealer with quality bags. Start by sealing the end off of the bag roll using the seal button. Make sure you never use the vac button. Once the end has been sealed, simply slide the bag forward to make the next seal. At this point, here's what it should look like. With a pair of scissors, cut the sealed end off in the following manner. Now you should have a piece that looks like this. Cut this piece into thirds. This leaves 3 small bags, with the middle segment needing to be sealed on one end. Initially, trying to fill these small bags was impossible. When squeezing the tube, the cream would get clogged at the top of the bag. I really needed a nozzle that would reach the bottom and fill the bag from the bottom to the top. So, to keep in the spirit of biking, I made one out of a stem from a worn-out inner tube. I found that a presta valve worked better than a Schrader valve, due to its longer length, and it cleans up better when washed. Also, make sure you get one that has a removable valve stem. Cut the valve from the tube in this manner and set aside. Next, remove the lid from the cream tube and expose the threaded well. Take the valve and with a pair of scissors, trim and shape the excess rubber until it fits perfectly into the threaded well of the lid. Using a drill bit that is slightly larger than the valve, enlarge the hole on the cap so it will receive the valve. Next, if you haven't already done so, remove the valve stem. If you don't have a presta valve puller, you can just use a pair of pliers in this manner. Assemble the valve into the cap and return it to the tube. You now have a functioning nozzle that can fill each bag from bottom to top. Once filled, use the Seal Only button on the vacuum sealer to seal off the end. The packets are now ready to use and can be easily stored in your jersey pocket or bike bag.